Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another question on the topic of permutation and combination, and the question is as follows. The number of ways an examiner can assign 30 marks in 8 questions giving not less than 2 marks to every question is. Now we are provided 4 options for this question. Option A 21C7, option B 21C8, option C 21C9 and option D 22C7. So this was our question and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to a given question, we are given that examiner has to assign marks to 8 different papers and the total number of marks is equal to 30. Now he has to decide that how many marks he can give to every paper such that he can give not less than 2 marks to any paper. Now if we take paper number 1 as x1, paper number 2 as x2 and paper number 8 as x8, or we can say that the marks in paper number 1 is x1, and if we'll add all these numbers, the sum should be equal to 30. Now the criteria is that it should be at least 2. So we can say that k1 plus k2 plus k3 all the way up to k8 is equal to 30 minus 8 into 2, which is equal to 14. So the minimum value of k1 plus k2 plus k8 must be equal to 14. Now we have to find the number of ways in which this can happen. Now the values of k1 can be ranging from 0 to any value between 14. So we have to take either the positive integral solution or the non-negative integral solution. But since the values can start from 0, we will take the non-negative integral solution. Now if we don't know, if we have a situation of a plus b plus c all the way up to n is equal to k, then the number of non-negative integral solution for such a case is equal to k plus n minus 1 c n minus 1. So according to this formula, we just have to put our numbers in it and we'll get our answer. So for our case, the value of k is equal to 14, the value of n is equal to 8, and minus 1 c 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. So according to a given question, our answer must be 14 plus 8 minus 1 c7, that is nothing but 21 c7, and according to a given option, it is option number A. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ASN Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ASN Academy.